Hello guys, and welcome to a new tutorial. Today we're going to practice irregular verbs. So we already made a game and we already practiced a little bit of this in class. Remember that you have a full big list of all the irregular verbs on the back, on the last pages of your grammar and vocabulary book. There you can always check it. Today we're going to practice some of the main verbs. So take out your notebook or a piece of paper if you don't have any notebook pages left. And you have to write the title and this chart. The verb in base form, past participle, and copy my example. Feel is the base form. The past is felt and the past participle felt. You have to number 1 to number 15 because you're going to learn many verbs today. We are going to play a game and need to try to remember those. If you want, you can be checking the back of your grammar and vocabulary book. Okay? And when you finish filling the whole page of your notebook, you have to take a picture and put it in the classroom. Okay, it needs to be complete with the 15 verbs in base form, in past, and in past participle. So let's start with the number 2. The past forms of catch. Go, look in your book. Catch. Like in this picture, they're catching a ball. Catch. Caught. Okay, copy. Base form catch, past caught, and past participle caught again. Let's continue with the next one. Now copy the past forms of be. Remember that be means I am, you are, he is, she is. The verb be is a verb that makes descriptions. So it can be is, am, or are. But in the past, right? And in past participle, it's different. So look for it in your book. It's was or were, the simple past, and the past participle, been. Okay? An example could be, I was sad last week. They were very busy. Okay, that's how we use the simple past. Copy past and past participle of be. Let's see the next one. Bring. Oh, he's bringing those books, those heavy books. Thank you for bringing me the books. Look for it. The simple past and past participle of bring. Brought. Okay? Brought. Copy them. Next one. Sleep. Look at that girl. She just wants to sleep a little. Sleep. Yep. Slept. Copy. Slept. Some verbs have the same past and past participle, and this is one of them. And it's easier for us to remember. Now let's go with grow. What is grow? Look at it. The plant is growing. Look, up. When we add water, it grows. So the past and past participle is grew and grown. Okay? Grew and grown. Copy them. The next one, the past forms of drink. What do you think she's drinking? Maybe a milkshake? Maybe tea? Maybe just water? drink. Drank, drunk. Okay, these you guys, drunk, not drunk. Drunk. Drink, drank, drunk. Okay, copy them. Now we have come. Please come here. Come. Come, came, come. In this special occasion, we repeat the base form and the past participle is the same form. Come, came, come. Okay? Come, came, come. That's how you remember. Let's see the next one. Run. This creature is running for his life. Run, ran, run again. Again, look, run, run. We repeat it. Run, run, run. Come, came, come. They are similar. Okay, copy them. Write what you do every day on the computer or on your notebook or book. You write. Wrote, written. Double T, super important. Write, wrote, written. Super important is double T. You can never forget it. Next we have fly. Wow, she's flying. Flew, flown. Some past participles have an N at the end. Fly, flew, flown. Okay, copy them. Now we have teach. Teach. This is very different, guys. Taught, taught. You have to pronounce it just as if you had a T here. Like T-O-T. Taught, taught. Like that. It's a T. The sound of the pronunciation is taught. Okay? Teach, taught, taught. Next we have go. When you're at a traffic light, go. When it's green, you go. So went and gone. Again, we have an N at the end in the past participle. But it's important for you to remember the simple past that is a little bit different. Go, went, gone. Understand. Remember we saw this one, right? Understood, understood. Good job. And the last one for today is eat. One of the most important verbs that you have to know and memorize, eat. Ate, eaten. Okay, eat, ate, eaten. Good job. Good job, guys. Now that you finished to complete your chart, please take a picture and upload it in the classroom assignment. And let me tell you a little secret. Tomorrow in class, we will start the class with a quiz. I told you that we will have a quiz this week. So it's tomorrow and we will see and we will practice these verbs, okay? These verbs are the ones you need to practice. That will be all for today. I'll see you guys in class tomorrow. Bye-bye.